I'm going to do a quick eyeshadow tutorial with you today using 4 products from Seint. So I'm going to be using these 3 eyeshadows. This is Pup, London, and Junior Prom, and I'm wearing them on my eyes. And then I'm going to show you one of our versatile products. So this is Illuminator. This is one of our beautiful powders, Starlet. And so I'm going to use Starlet as my eyeshadow today. I'm also wearing it on my cheekbone for that catch of light and a little bit in the middle of my lip for an ombre lip effect. So I can't wait to show you these 4 products together and how it transformed my eye look today. And then I used my eyeshadow brush to blend and apply all of this out. Check it out. First thing I'm going to use on my eyelids is this eyeshadow primer by NYX. You want a good primer on your eyelids just because you do have natural oil on your lids, and you want to make sure that that oil doesn't cause your beautiful Seint shadows to crease. So I'm going to first go into this lighter matte shade. This is the shade Pup. I'm taking my eyeshadow brush, the fluffy end, and going into Pup. I'm going to just tap that fluffy end of the eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to start applying Pup all over my eye. I'm going to keep my eyes open. That way I'm really getting that color up there and creating a false crease. You want to follow, there's actually a bone right here, and so you want to follow that right there and get the color really up. By going back and forth like a windshield wiper motion, you're just really helping that color to be on there real pretty, nice and blended. The fluffy end of the eyeshadow brush does that really easy for you. I keep my eyes open, that way it helps me to find that bone on my eyelid a lot easier, and that helps get the color up there, because when you're walking around, you want people to actually see your eyeshadow colors you apply on there because your eyes are open. That also helps if you have a hooded eyelid. If the top of your eyelid is resting on the bottom, you want to make sure you can really see that color. So that color Pup is all over. Now I'm going to start building color. I'm going to go in this darker metallic. This is Junior Prom. I'm going to switch ends of the eyeshadow brush and go in the more dense end. This is a deep color. We're going to start building some dimension on my eyelid. So I'm going the outer corner, and I'm going to flick that end of the eyeshadow brush upward to really prevent excess fallout in this area. So these are powder eyeshadows. Fallout does happen, and that is perfectly fine and normal. So we are just focusing that beautiful, dark, rich color in the outer corner to really start building dimension. I did bring that eyeshadow Junior Prom a little underneath my eye. It's almost working like a soft eyeliner, and it just looks like almost like a backward 7. Now I'm going to go in this gorgeous purple matte. This is London. I'm going to add London a little bit on the outer corner as well. I'm going to take my fluffy end of the eyeshadow brush and just brush that in my cleaning tile. So this is just a sponge to get any excess product off. And I'm going to start blending in light circular motions just so this is a little bit softer. And take my finger and I'm going to go into this powder illuminator. This is Starlet. Our illuminators can be worn as eyeshadow. So the cream ones are gorgeous as eyeshadow. You do have to be careful if you have really oily eyelids. It may crease a little bit. I love the powder illuminators for eyeshadows because they're powder products, so they're gonna get the job done. I'm gonna take my finger and I'm going to go into Starlet, and I'm just going to start tapping that right on the middle of my eyelid and fan its way up. So this is a really soft, iridescent powder that has some hints of pink and purple to it. I'll throw some eyeliner and lashes on and we'll have our complete look. Okay, so I threw some eyeliner on my eyes and then some false lashes, and my eye look is complete for today. So those were those three eyeshadow colors. I used Pup as my base, Junior Prom on the outer corner, and then London also in the outer corner. So it has this beautiful soft purple tone to it. And then I finished it off with our Powder Illuminator Starlet. So Starlet is that real pretty iridescent you see on the first like 2/3 of my eye. So I also am wearing Baby Watermelon as my blush and my lip color, and a little bit of Starlet also on the center of my lips. I used the eyeshadow brush, and that was that. So I love how versatile our products are, and that you can use products like our illuminators as eyeshadow, as well as layering it on your lips to create an ombre effect.